Further complex analysis 2.3. Let's see that lemma in detail. Lemma is let y be a subspace of X, and then y is compact if and only if every open cover of y by sets open in X containing a finite subcollection covering by X. That is, this theorem is we are taking as y is compact if and only we need to prove that every open cover of y by open set in X has a finite subcollection cover in subcollection covering by X. Okay, now let's see the proof. The if part, that is y is compact, we need to prove this part. So let's suppose y is compact. Then what we have, every open cover by open set in tau y has finite subcollection. That is the definition of compact. So y is compact. Subspace compact means every open cover by open set in tau y has finite subcover. Now let A alpha, where alpha belongs to I, is the covering of y by sets open in X. That means, say y is a subset of union of finite subcollection. So y is subset of union of finite subcollection of A alpha, that is union of A alpha. Alpha belongs to I. Therefore from this A alpha belongs to tau, and A alpha dash belongs to tau of y. So we can see that one later. See here, let A alpha, collection of A alpha, alpha belongs to I, is a covering of y by sets open in X. Similarly, the y intersection A alpha, where alpha belongs to I, is a covering of y by sets open in Y. So if you see the intersection, it is a covering of y by sets open in Y. So if you see this one, then y is subset of union of y intersection AI as well. Then y is subset of union of AI as well. So since y is compact, but we have a finite subcollection y intersection A1, y intersection A2 up to y intersection AN covers of y. So A alpha covering of y by sets open X, then y intersection A alpha is a covering of y by sets open in Y. Therefore also y is compact, we have the finite subcollection y intersection A1, y intersection A2 up to y intersection AN is a covers of y from this. Then we can say from this, we can say A1, A2 up to AN is a subcollection of A covers of y. If you see this one, you can say this is a subcollection of A covers y, that is alpha belongs to I, all arbitrary I, but this one we are taking as a finite, therefore it's a subcollection of a covers y. Now if you see the converse part, so what is it? If you take every open cover of y by open set in X has a finite subcollection covering by X, which will lead to y is as a compact. So let's see that one. So when you see the conversely, assume that every open cover of y by sets open in X contain a finite subcollection covering y. Then we will prove y is compact. So conversely, assume that every open cover of y by sets open in X contains a finite subcollection covering y. We need to prove that y is compact. So now let A dash alpha, where alpha belongs to I, is equal to, say, A dash be an open cover of y by open sets in Y. Then for each alpha we have their X is open set A alpha in X. Then we can say A alpha is equal to y intersection A alpha dash, because we are taking A dash as the open cover of y. Now then the collection A is equal to A alpha is the covering of y by sets open in X. Therefore by hypothesis what we can say is some finite subcollection A alpha 1 up to A alpha n covers y. Therefore from this we can say then A dash alpha 1, A dash alpha n is a subcollection of A dash that covers of y as well. So wait. Yes. So it means we are taking A alpha dash be a open cover Y by open set in Y. Then we are taking, because of its open in Y, you can say A alpha as Y intersection alpha dash. Then the collection is a covering of Y by sets open in X. Then the hypothesis is some finite subcollection A alpha to A alpha n covers Y. Therefore, A dash alpha 1, A dash alpha n is a subcollection of A dash that covers Y.